Here, I'm going to start with an STL model of a wheel and demonstrate segmentation of a poly model that has got just one face. So let me get started by loading an STL file. And to start with, the STL file becomes a CAD body, and the CAD body gets visualized once converted to the ACIS polybody, which we see here. Using the entity checker, we can just inquire the topology and see that this polybody has got just one face and no edges and no vertices. Essentially, it is just a polyhedral or mesh blob. So on this polybody, we try out the segmentation operation with this command, and we see some new body having topology. To get a clearer picture, I will just color the new body faces and edges differently, say with yellow, and then move this body slightly above so as to be able to see the difference. So the new body is in yellow, it is the segmented one, and the original body is in green. We run the entity checker again to see the topology of the new body, and it is found to have 30 faces, 70 edges, and 64 vertices. All this new topology is created by the segmentation operator.
For more information about how ACIS Polyhedra and Spatial SDKs can help you with polyhedral modeling for the 3D ACIS modeler, please visit our website by following the link on the screen. If you would like to submit a question or reach out to learn how you can get your hands on ACIS Polyhedra, please email us at info@spatial.com.